Terraforming Mercury might sound like a wild idea, but let's dive into why it's not just science fiction. Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, has extreme temperatures, intense solar radiation, and a thin atmosphere. But what if we could change that? Imagine transforming Mercury into a more hospitable environment. First, the temperature swings are brutal, ranging from scorching hot to freezing cold. To tackle this, scientists could consider creating a reflective shield around the planet. This shield would help regulate temperatures by reflecting some of the sun's rays, making the surface more stable and less extreme. Next up, the atmosphere. Mercury's atmosphere is almost non-existent, composed mainly of oxygen, sodium, and hydrogen. To terraform it, the goal would be to thicken this atmosphere. One idea is to release gases like carbon dioxide and nitrogen, perhaps from asteroids or comets. This would create a more substantial atmosphere, allowing for better temperature regulation and possibly even weather patterns. Now let's talk about water. Water is essential for life as we know it. While Mercury has ice at its poles, it's not enough. Scientists could potentially redirect comets to crash into Mercury, bringing water and other organic materials. This would not only provide water, but could also introduce the building blocks for life. But what about the solar radiation? Mercury is bombarded with solar energy, making it inhospitable. To combat this, creating underground habitats could be a solution. These habitats would shield potential inhabitants from radiation, while allowing them to thrive in a controlled environment. Think of it as living in a cozy bunker, but on another planet. Another intriguing aspect of terraforming Mercury is its magnetic field. Currently, Mercury has a weak magnetic field, which doesn't provide much protection from solar winds. One idea is to create an artificial magnetic field. This could be achieved through large superconducting loops placed around the planet, generating a magnetic shield to protect the atmosphere and any potential life. Now let's consider the long-term effects of terraforming. Would it be sustainable? The process would take centuries, if not millennia. Continuous monitoring and adjustments would be necessary to ensure the environment remains stable. It's a massive undertaking that would require international cooperation and advanced technology. Also, who would want to live on Mercury? The potential for mining resources is significant. Mercury is rich in metals like iron and nickel. As humanity expands into the solar system, these resources could be invaluable. Terraforming could pave the way for a new era of space exploration and colonization. But there are ethical questions to ponder. Should humanity alter another planet? What if the process disrupts potential native ecosystems? These questions need careful consideration as the idea of terraforming progresses from theory to reality. In conclusion, terraforming Mercury presents a fascinating challenge. With innovative ideas like reflective shields, artificial atmospheres, and underground habitats, it's a bold vision for the future. As technology advances, the dream of transforming Mercury could become a reality. So what do you think? Is terraforming Mercury a dream worth pursuing? How would humanity balance exploration with ethical considerations? What role do you see for future generations in this cosmic endeavor?